Welcome to English Untold Podcast. I am Gabe, and I am really happy to be here with you today for another episode of Real English Practice.
Hello, everyone. I am Mia. We have a great episode ready for you today that covers a situation many travelers fear.
How are you doing today, Mia? Did you have a good weekend, or did you spend it all dreaming about your next big trip?
I'm doing great, Gabe. I actually spent quite a bit of time looking at hotels online, which is why today is the perfect time for our topic.
I agree. There's nothing worse than arriving at your destination after a long journey and realizing something went wrong with your room booking.
Exactly. It is late, and you are tired, and you just want to relax. Today, we are going to look at how to fix that situation using natural English.
Let's imagine I just arrived at a hotel in Chicago. I am carrying 3 heavy bags, and I am ready to get into my bed. I walk up to you at the desk.
I'm ready. I have my computer and my professional front desk smile. What is the first thing you would say to me, Gabe?
Hi there, I would like to register for my room, please. How does that sound for a start?
It is okay, but it sounds a little formal. Most native speakers would say, "Hi there," and then use the phrase, "I'm checking in."
I'm checking in. That does feel more natural for a hotel. Let me try again. Hi there, I am checking in and I have a reservation.
That is perfect, Gabe. Using the phrase, "I have a reservation" is very clear. Welcome to our hotel. Can I get the name on the booking?
Of course, my name is Miller. I am staying for 3 nights.
Gabe, when we talk about bookings, we usually use a specific preposition. We say the reservation is under the name Miller.
Under the name, that always sounds so funny to me, but I will remember to use it. It is under the name Miller.
Thank you. Let me double check our system for Miller. I'm searching the computer now, but I'm having a bit of trouble.
Wait, you said let me double check. Does that just mean you are checking for the second time?
Yes. It means I'm being very careful to make sure I did not miss anything. But Gabe, I have some bad news. It's not showing up.
It's not showing up. That is what I was afraid of. Oh no, maybe I made a mistake. My mistake, I might have the wrong dates.
Do not worry yet. It is always good to say "my mistake" if you think you are wrong. But let's check your phone for any proof.
Good idea. I have the confirmation right here in my email. It has the hotel address and the dates. Here it is.
Just a second while I read those numbers, Gabe. I need to type the confirmation number manually into my computer.
Does it work? That's strange because I definitely see the correct dates on my screen.
It is very strange indeed. The system still says 0 results for that number. Let me try one more thing before we worry.
I see you typing very quickly now. Wait, I found it. I can see the reservation on your screen from here.
I found it. I am so glad. I see what happened now. Your name was spelled with 2 letters switched around.
Oh, so it was a typo? I must have been very tired when I was typing my name into the website last week.
Yes, it was a typo. But do not worry, because we're all set now. And I can get your room ready in the computer.
Thank goodness. I was already looking for a comfortable spot on the lobby floor to take a nap.
I'm so sorry for the wait while I searched for that, Gabe. I know you are exhausted from your flight.
No worries, it only took a few minutes, and I am just happy you were able to solve the mystery for me.
It happens all the time. Sometimes the internet and our hotel systems just do not want to talk to each other correctly.
Mia, let's talk about a different situation. What if the hotel really was full and they really did not have my room?
That is a tough one. In that case, you want to be very polite, but also very clear. You could ask, "Is there any way you can help?"
Is there any way? That sounds very soft. Is it better than asking, what are you going to do for me?
Definitely. You could also ask, "Would it be possible to check with your other hotel locations nearby to see if they have space?"
If I were the clerk, I might say, I'm afraid we're full, but let me see what I can do to find you another bed.
Exactly. Being kind often helps you get better service. In fact, because you were so patient today, I can upgrade you.
An upgrade sounds wonderful, but wait, am I going to have to pay more for a better room?
Not at all. I'm giving it to you at no extra charge because of the confusion with your reservation name.
That would be amazing. Thank you so much for your help, Mia. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Let's give our listeners a moment to practice. How would you ask for a reservation under the name Smith?
Think about it. You could say, I have a reservation under the name Smith. Try saying that out loud.
Great job. Here's your room key, Gabe. The elevator is just behind you, and you are on the top floor with the city view.
Thank you. Just one more quick question. What time is breakfast served in the morning?
Breakfast is served from 6 until 10 in the dining area. Enjoy your stay, Gabe, and get some rest.
That was such a useful conversation, Mia. I really liked how we use phrases like checking in and under the name to sound natural.
Me too. It's amazing how much a few simple words can change your experience at a hotel or restaurant.
We hope these expressions help you feel more confident the next time you travel. We have a question for you to answer in the comments.
Have you ever had a problem when checking into a hotel? And how did you resolve it? We want to hear your stories.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to the English Untold Podcast channel for more practice every week.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. We will see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy travels.
Goodbye for now.